3.5 billion searches are typed into Google. With this many queries, questions, and potential purchases, it's never been more important to get your pages and products at the top of the results. The problem is getting them there is complicated, and competition for rankings is intense. Even the best businesses need the right tech to navigate the tricky world of technical SEO, especially when your sites span thousands of pages and multiple countries through the one thing most senior marketers overlook: technical SEO. Helps businesses like yours detect opportunities for growth through in-depth technical SEO analytics and insights. Protect your search positions by alerting you to technical SEO errors before they become an issue. The world's biggest brands increase their rankings, lower their cost of acquisition, and drive revenue.
Hi everyone, this video is going to be about how to audit your website. I have tools. Its first one is Google Page Speed Insights. It's one of the tools that tells you about the speed of the website. I will be showing everything live to you. Let's just get in touch with the different type of tools that are available. So first is Google Page Speed Insights. Google Analytics. Obviously, if you have, please remember that. I'm also going to tell you about the Facebook tools that helps you to tell you the different errors that are existing in your website using OG tag debugs. Okay, this is one of the famous tools. Then there are other non-Google tools also available, and these are the, you can see, gtmetrics.com, webpagetest.org, SEO optimizer. So these are few non-Google tools that helps you to audit your website. Then yes, there are many famous paid tools also: WooRank, SEMrush, and Ahref. So there are softwares also that helps you to audit your website. So I will be telling you about Screaming Frog. So let's begin and get in touch with the first tool, that is Google Page Speed Insight. Suppose I have a website. Let's take an example of my famous website Lumbricals, or my audit your website. So I will be telling you about Screaming Frog. So let's begin and get in touch with the first tool, that is Google Page Speed Insight. Suppose I have a website. Let's take an example of my famous website Lumbricals, or my company website Only Digital Way. You can take any of the websites. You can take the example of any of these websites. You have to go to the just type in Google Page Speed Insight. You can also type Google Page Speed, and it gives you the first Page Speed Insight. This is the tool that you have to use. Already I have you have to just put the URL and just click the analyze. After analyzing, it will tells you what is the score of your page speed of your website. So you can see this is the score that I have attained after analyzing. So these are few errors that I cannot fix because it's totally related to subscripts and other loading speeds. If I remove those codes, there would be drastic change in my CSS and other structures, so I cannot avoid these errors. So this is my score. So the first tool was Google Page Speed Insight. Let's move on to the another two, Google Analytics and Google Webmaster. I will show you live. I will just type Google before how you can integrate this Google Analytics and how you can use this Webmaster. So Google Analytics, just go to Google Analytics once. You have to create your if you don't have any ID of Google Analytics, first you have to create an ID. Once you are an ID of that platform, then you can audit or check your website according to that. So I've already created an ID and I have already injected the code that Google gives to my website. So these are analytics and these are the page. These are all the analytics you can see. So I will be. This is very complex platform. I need to tell you in details. Okay. So this will take a time. So this is also one of the tools that you can use to audit after uploading, after fetching your website. This platform is used. Next platform I will be telling you about the Webmaster. So this is the Google Search Console. We will be moving down to this Google Search Console platform, and I've already set the domain. So here, from here you can get all the performance reports, on which keyword you are ranking, what is your average CPC, and everything you can get. What are the keywords that are working for you, all the reports you can get. For this you have to upload and page and validate this Google Search Console, and then only it starts giving you the analytics. So that also I will be telling you in my one of the videos, and I will be sharing in the videos links in my description. So these were two very important analytics platform by Google. So it is a Google Webmaster and this is Google Analytics. So these were a few Google's tools that helps you to audit your website. The first one was Google Page Insight. You have to just enter the URL and you can get all the insights, and it will tell you if there are few errors. You can so the second tool we will be starting about Facebook OG Tag Debug. Okay, so what is this tool? I'll just show you how this tool works. Okay, so we have already get through these tools. So I've already opened. Just you type in Google the OG debug tools, and this page will straight away opens. Just put your website URL and it will tell you how many times your website has been shared, what is the time when Google when Facebook has fetched your website. See all the stats of your this page is appearing here, all the errors, everything. It will tell you. It will even tell you the OG titles, what is what you have implemented. And if you want the Facebook if you want Facebook to read your website, you can just click this button and you can get Facebook crawled your website just right now. So this is the platform from where you can get the few details regarding social media, that is OG tag. This is also called the Facebook debug tool. Okay, so from here you can just fetch your website in Facebook also. This will also tell you how many times your website has been fetched, what are the links, how many likes, every details of your website. You can see here, you can get the API and other things from here. If you want to fetch your website, you can see it from here. So this was Facebook's tool. So one of the important non-Google tools, we will be starting about these platforms. These are really important tools. I will be like to tell you these things in very depth, because these will keep the values in this video. So let's first move on to the LX Marketplace, marketplace.com. So I've already opened this website. Okay, you just need to put the URL of your website. Suppose if it's in lumbricals.com or if it is in onlydigitalway.com, you just need to copy your URL, put it here and find my tool analysis. Just click on this one. It will take a bit of time. You need to have a patience. It will give you all the reports. So after testing, it has given you few tools, recommended tools. So just click the Page Insight tools. If you want to audit your website, you just need to click and just put your analyze and give you the reports. We have to keep a patience a bit. these tools do takes time, so you have to keep patience, because it studies your domains URLs one by one, and then only it gives you the reports. So this is the score that I have obtained after analyzing the websites in different mobile format and in. So these are the things it recommends. You can read it down. What are the, you can even, there is a SEO audit tools, you can use this one as well. SEO web page analysis. So these are the two tools that you can use it from lxrmarketplace.com. See, it has analyzed all the results, and you can just click expand it and read what are the errors, what are the page, what is it recommending, everything you can get to know from here. So this is also one of the free website, that is LXR Marketplace. We will go to next tools, that is GT Matrix. Okay, so let's go to GT Matrix. Just search GT Matrix. Just search GT Matrix and you will get this platform. This is the one of the recommended platform by me, because it tests your sites quite nicely, and it do gives you a genuine reports, and it avoids those things which you cannot block. Okay, so if you ask, there are some subscripts that you won't want to block because of the CSS, so it gives no importance to those tags. Okay, so the another tool was gtmatrix.com. so I'm analyzing my website, and I'm waiting for the reports, and it will show you a very in-depth report. So here you can see these are the test reports. Okay, and you can get everything, the page speed, the time it is crawling, everything you can get it from here, the performance, the structure, the everything it will show you here. So this was the GT Matrix. It is also one of the famous platforms that are used by SEO experts and also by me also. Next platform we will go to web page speed. So friends, our next tool will be webpagetest.org. So we will move down to that platform. This is a webpagetest.org. This is a very famous platform. Okay, I will be just testing my platform on this one. Here you can there are few settings. You can choose the location where you want to test out your website. Okay, you can choose any locations wherever you want to test. Suppose choose anything. These are the browser settings. You can choose any browser, any Chrome device, anything if you want, you can select that. Okay, connections and everything, these all tabs you just need to check down. If you want to you can start testing your website, fill out the definition and it will test your website. So it is testing my website. Told me to wait for 8 seconds, 10 seconds ago. So friends, after completing the test, it is showing you all the results. You can see it has scrolled all the pages and it is showing all the errors page by page and everything. So you can just go down to the depth of these details, and you can improve your errors. Okay, so these are the all image, all web page test. So this is really one of the best tools that I also prefer for you all. These are all the indexed part, in-depth things. You can see all the test it has done, and it has given you a depth report. So I'm preferring this. If you're getting free these tools, you should prefer these tools in order to audit your website, in order to do SEO and everything. So this is in webpagetest.org. It is working very nicely, and it has given a really depth report of my websites. So this was a good one. Next tool, we will go to SEO Optimizer. Sure. So friends, next tool is SEO Optimizer. Here is SEO Optimizer. Similarly, I just need to put my URL, and I will click to audit, and it will start showing me the reports, and it has already shown me the page is working very good. Okay, so it has given all the related details here. So according to that, you can again audit your website. All the meta tags you have used, everything is here. So accordingly, users, please audit your websites. They are working fine. So mobile frame also, it's in desktop mode, it's in if it is in mobile mode, everything it is given in a very depth. Test your website and get the results, and get your website in the top of the search results. So this was all the free tools that we used to test our website. These were all the free tools, and these are non-Google tools. A few paid tools that are available. Obviously, the WooRanks is one of the famous known tools that I used. Second is SEMrush. Obviously, it's also a paid tools, but they do gives you a free results also. For example, SEMrush and Ahrefs, they do gives you few tools are there which gives you the reports. I will show you the SEMrush websites. You just need to write SEMrush, and if you logged in, just open the SEMrush platform. Just whatever website is there, you just put the results there. So this is the website. If I want to test my website, any website I can test, there is no issue with that. So it will tell you, suppose so let's see how my Lumbricals website is working. I will just copy and go to the SEMrush. It will tell me all. Even this is one of the famous tools. It gives you the reports of your competitor as well. So you can study your competitor in depth, and you can even plan your marketing strategy based on the reports. You know, these reports are very useful. They are really one of the important in planning and structuring your campaigns. So see, these are organic search. I've never run the paid ad. These are the backlinks. Everything it is giving you in depth. So SEMrush is also free. It's but in limited format it is free. If you want the extended and depth version, obviously you have to go for the paid part of it. So these were the 3 paid tools that are very famous. Okay, so So friends, now let's go to the software that is very important in terms of auditing your website. It's a Screaming Frog. You just need to type in website in Google Screaming Frog, and this website will appear. From here you can download the free version of Screaming Frog. So from here you can download the free version of Screaming Frog. That's totally free of cost. I will show you how it audits your website. If your website has some internal linking problem, some links are broken, anything is there, it will give you a very depth report of it. So this is my only digital way website. I will test you with this Screaming Frog. I have already installed it in my PC, so I'm going to show you. So this is the Screaming Frog tool, spider tool. Just opened it. Whatever I've shown you, these are all lives. There is no hidden things. I use these all tools for my clients, for other purposes also. These are all free tools. See, in this world the knowledge is power. You need to have it in knowledge. If you have the knowledge, you can use it and you can do anything in this world. So this is my knowledge I'm showing you to all. So this was a tool, Screaming Frog. Just paste the URL here and start scanning the website. It will take a few seconds and it will give you all the links detail, it is working or not working. See, if there are few URLs that are not found, it will directly show you not found URL. Okay, so permanently moved. If there are the URLs that are moved, that also you can see. So it is giving me errors of my website, but if those errors are avoidable and you don't need those images, but still it is tracking and it is giving you, so you can avoid that also. Okay, so you don't need to worry about that. But yes, most of the links that is scrolling, it's all okay. So this is all about Screaming Frog. It's one of the best tools that I used in my life. Okay, it gives you all the links, it scrolls all the links. You can download these reports and you can send it to any of your clients and they will really be impressed by your tools. This is totally free of cost. You can download the report once it is crawled 100%. You can download the report just on clicking on export, and the report will be saved in the form of Excel. Anywhere you can save it. So it just takes 10 seconds to get the internal linking or the internal errors of your website. You just open that Excel sheet and you get all the errors. See, the file has been exported. So we have learned in this video what are the tools that helps us to audit our websites. Obviously these tools tells you all the internal or the, you can say, on page SEO errors.